the final match of the season. It comes down to these two teams, both 9-1. St. Peter's going to save that. St. Peter hasn't lost a game since week 1 against Hobart. Meanwhile, Sydney hasn't lost a game since week 3 against Gold Coast. Bottomus Prime's going to send that one on net. St. Peter has to retreat. And a huge save from St. Peter. And Bottomus Prime strikes first. Gets the best of St. Peter here at the 4:14 mark. People are wondering what would win this game. The battle of the defense versus the offense. Aggressiveness from St. Peter. That one's trickling towards the net, and Stick ties the game. It's one of the weaknesses of Sydney, as they've found themselves into some high-scoring battles with other offenses. The defense has its holes. They rely on that high-octane offense. They're going to try and push some offense. That one's going towards the net. It's centered. But obviously, Stick was demoed. And St. Peter's playing defense. So the offense has settled down. Bottomus Prime hasn't been able to launch off shots like he was earlier. That's a bad hit from St. Peter. And Penguin Bot scores. Sydney takes the lead. A bad hit from St. Peter. Penguin Bot's going to take advantage off the post and in. That one sent into the corner. That one's going to land in front. Stick ties the game. Melbourne with the response. And it's the game that we imagined would happen. Solid defense and some back and forth scoring. Bottomus Prime trying to attack. Or Penguin Bot rather, but he misses. And oh! Stick with a bad hit, and all of a sudden, Bottomus Prime has his second goal of the game, and they have the lead. Stick goes backwards into St. Peter, who is going to clear it. And that's costly a mistake for Melbourne. St. Peter with the clear, couldn't put it on net though. Nearing the 1 minute mark. Stick goes up, and it's saved by Bottomus Prime. Bottomus Prime on a retreat mode. Stick just barely keeps that away. 30 seconds left. Bottomus Prime pushing it through. Can he put it in? No. 24 seconds left. A great move by Bottomus Prime towards the net. No one's there. They're trying to get it cleared with 15 seconds left. They can't. 13 seconds left. Time running out. That one's sent forward. Stick gonna push offense. Unlucky pinch with 3 seconds left. St. Peter hits that up. They can't let it hit, but it does. Sydney wins the game of the week. And they will have the #1 seed in the playoffs. As Melbourne loses for the first time since week 1. Their second loss of the season. Sydney's only loss against Gold Coast in week 3. And the playoffs are set.